Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into Mining Blocks. We're going to be doing a super quick update just to address people's concerns about this new R token reward. So keep watching. Hey guys, RJ here and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so here we are in Mining Blocks, and like I say, I'm basically just doing this quick update to address people's concerns about the introduction of this new R token. Now, you would not believe the response I've had to my last video. Now, I do cover this in the last video, but I don't mention it until later on, so maybe I should have just mentioned it right from the off. But I've had DMs, PMs, people telling me that they're no longer going to use the site because it is now a gambling site. I've had people unsubscribe from my channel saying that they no longer want to be associated with me because I am promoting gambling websites, and it's absolutely crazy, guys. This is not at all the case. It is simply a word that has been used on the site, which I don't even really understand why they've used this particular word, because it really does not correspond at all to the reward structure. So basically, if we drop in, and obviously every one of you will know what I'm talking about, and it is this here, this word right here, that because they have used it, it is now everybody is thinking this is becoming a gambling site or a betting site and stuff like this. Personally, I would say to Mining Blocks, keep the R reward token, but instead of using this word that you've used, just use a reward, the word reward, because that's all it is. It's a reward token because you get a reward every time you earn a token. There is no gambling, there is no risk, you're not going to lose anything. But everybody seems to have just seen this in my video, and obviously I did mention that I didn't want to use the word, and I explained why, but I didn't maybe impress enough at the beginning of the video that it is nothing to do with what that word represents. It is not a gambling website. And like I say, the structure to the token is simply a reward. It's a reward token. That is it. So hopefully that has cleared everything up. And quickly, while we're here, we're going to run through the numbers, because in the last 2 days, that's all it's been since we've been in here, because of the reward token and what you gain from earning that token and then going on to this section and claiming those rewards. In 2 days ago, our block reward was at 0.499. So let's round that up to 5. We're now at 0.84. So that is a gain of 34 million derivatives of block in 2 days, right? So in a very short while, I'm going to be at one whole block. To claim that Christmas miner, if we go into crafting, down here, it is only 1.5 block required. Yes, we need the tokens. I think I'm currently at about 7 or 8 tokens, but we've got the whole rest of the month to gain the tokens. I felt that the biggest hurdle I was going to face is actually building the blocks, but because of the reward token, I'm earning so much block through that, and also as well, I'm earning so many materials. I've sold tons and tons of T1 chips, and if we go into my inventory, go into material, I've still got 37 T1 chips available, and in fact I only need 25 for the biggest miner that is available. I mean, and if I don't get the Christmas miner, if that falls through, basically all I need is, well, yeah, basically I will then be able to craft the miner I was gonna craft before the Christmas event actually started, which is a requirement of 1.4 blocks, so only 0.1 block cheaper. It doesn't give you as much, obviously, as the Christmas miner, but for me, that is a great consolation prize if I don't manage to get that Christmas miner, and I've got everything required so I can just craft that. I mean, if there was enough time left in the month, I would actually be tempted to craft this, then aim for the 30 tokens to craft the Christmas miner. But we'll see. If my tokens are looking good, then obviously the Christmas miner is going to be the priority, purely because the power is extremely good. It does not require any energy from our power supply, and it does not require any spaces in our account. So purely from that rewards token, my account is really starting to move forward. We're now up to level 21. 2 days ago we were at level 19, I believe, halfway through level 19, and now we've just gone into level 21 again, because the reward token gives us experience, and obviously connected, then put that together with the short links and the PTC ads that I'm doing, that is just grown exponentially. It's, you know, I'm earning loads of experience, and it is all down to the implementation of this rewards token and the new games section. And like I said in the last video I did, I think it's a great addition to the site. I just personally think they need to change the name to reward, so it's just simply a reward token, because like I say, that word has absolutely no bearing on how the reward structure works, because you are not risking anything, you are not gambling anything, you are not gonna lose anything whatsoever purely by getting these tokens, clicking on the buttons and claiming your rewards. So I personally am saying once again to Mining Block, please change that name. I do think it's actually harming your website, because people are seeing that and basically saying or believing that your site is now becoming a gambling site, and people do not want to be connected with stuff like that because it is seen as risky. People want stability, and that is what I believe your site is and will be into the future: a stable way, a stable cloud mining simulator to earn free crypto, and that is what it should be. And the words like this should not be connected with your site. So anyway, I'm going to leave that there. I hope it was informative and helpful for those of you that were worried about it. And for the rest of you, well, in fact, for all of you, if you can smash that like button, it really, really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.